Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to check battery level for the headphones QCY T9S on your iOS device. You have to start by scroll to the right, and now press to empty space, click on plus, now scroll down and click on batteries. Now choose the best one widget for you. Let's say it's okay for me, so then click add widget and we can check a battery level. Now the second option is to use an application, so open it, and right here we can also see a battery level. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.